Hey there! Welcome to today's quick guide to placing your bed in a power position using Fengshui principles. First, make sure to place your bed diagonally to the door. This allows you to always see who's coming in, promoting a sense of security and control. Next, ensure that the door is on your right side when lying down. This enhances your sense of stability and protection while you sleep. Always push your bed head against a solid wall for support and stability. Avoid placing your bed head against a wall with an air conditioner. Otherwise, it may invite troublesome people to show up in your life. Similarly, avoid placing your bed head against a window to prevent disruptions in your sleep due to outside influences. Lastly, avoid placing your bed head on the same wall as the door. This can create a sense of instability and unease. And there you have it. Follow these simple tips to create a harmonious and powerful sleeping environment. Want more Feng Shui tips? Just comment Reno below to receive free exclusive tips on the top 5 Feng Shui mistakes to avoid during renovation. Your dream home awaits.